Hey everyone, welcome to France. Now, when you think of France, what pops into your head? Maybe it's the Eiffel Tower reaching high above the city of Paris. Or maybe it's a romantic walk along the beautiful French Riviera. From busy cities to peaceful countryside towns, France has something for everyone. In the next few minutes, we're going on a trip together to find the 10 best places to visit in this amazing and exciting country. We'll walk down charming streets, be amazed by old castles, and of course enjoy France's famous food and wine. So grab your beret, pack your bags and your appetite, and let's start our big French adventure together. Our first stop is the heart of France, Paris. This famous city needs no introduction. The Eiffel Tower, standing tall as a symbol of how awesome French architecture is a must-see. And who could forget the Champs-Élysées, a grand avenue that shows off Parisian elegance. Walk down this famous street and you'll find everything from fancy stores to cute cafes. Stop by a bakery for a taste of a real French croissant. You won't be disappointed. But Paris is more than just famous landmarks. It's the feeling you get when you're there. The city has a special energy, so take your time, enjoy it all, and let Paris work its magic on you. Trust me, you'll leave with amazing memories and a wish to come back. Next, we're going to the sunny shores of the French Riviera, also known as the Côte d'Azur. This coastline is famous for its glamorous beach resorts, beautiful blue waters and seeing celebrities. From the Promenade des Anglais in Nice to the famous film festival in Cannes, the French Riviera feels luxurious and carefree. Relax on the clean beaches, swim in the Mediterranean Sea and soak up the sun alongside the rich and famous. Make sure to explore the cute towns and villages along the coast. Each one has a unique personality and charm waiting to be discovered. The French Riviera is a treat for your senses. So grab your sunglasses, put on your most stylish outfit, and get ready to be amazed. We're going back in time to the days of French kings and queens with a visit to the magnificent Palace of Versailles. This fancy palace, once home to King Louis XIV, the Sun King, shows just how grand and rich the French monarchy was. As you walk through the palace's luxurious halls, make sure to visit the Hall of Mirrors, a dazzling spectacle of light and reflection. And don't miss the palace's huge gardens, a masterpiece of French landscape design. You can easily spend a whole day exploring the Palace of Versailles. It's a fascinating trip into France's royal past, and a real treat for your eyes. Imagine the parties, the secrets, and the history that happened within these very walls. Chapter 4, Mont Saint-Michel. The island abbey in the clouds. Get ready to be amazed as we travel to Mont Saint-Michel, a truly incredible sight. Picture this. A medieval abbey on top of a rocky island looking like it's rising out of the mist and tides. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is an amazing example of engineering and architecture with a history as interesting as its location. As you explore the abbey's walls, take a moment to enjoy the panoramic views of the surrounding bay. It's like something out of a fairy tale. Make sure to check the tide schedule because the bay is known for its dramatic tides that can change the landscape really quickly. Mont Saint-Michel is a place of wonder and legend, a testament to human creativity and the power of nature. Chapter 5. Bordeaux, where wine flows like water. Now let's raise a glass to Bordeaux, a region known for some of the world's best wines. Here, vineyards stretch as far as you can see, and the air smells like grapes ripening in the sun. Go on a tour of a vineyard, learn how wine is made from grape to bottle, and enjoy tasting the local wines. Whether you're a wine expert or just enjoy a glass of good wine, a visit to Bordeaux is a treat. Explore the charming city of Bordeaux itself with its elegant buildings and lively atmosphere, and don't forget to enjoy the region's delicious food paired perfectly with, you guessed it, more Bordeaux wine. Cheers to that. Chapter 6, Lyon, food capital of France. Next, we're going to Lyon, a city that will make your taste buds happy. Often called the food capital of France, Lyon has amazing food that will impress even the pickiest eater. From fancy Michelin-starred restaurants to traditional restaurants serving hearty Lyonnaise cuisine, There's something for everyone. Be sure to try local dishes like coq au vin and quenelle, and don't forget to save room for dessert. But Lyon is more than just food. Explore the city's lively Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a maze of cobblestone streets and hidden courtyards. And for a stunning view, head up to the Basilica of Notre-Dame de Fourvière, which looks over the city from its hilltop spot. Chapter 7. Provence, lavender fields and charming villages. Provence, this region in southeastern France, is a treat for your senses. Imagine huge fields of lavender blooming in beautiful shades of purple, the air smelling like herbs and wildflowers. Explore charming villages on top of hills, their stone houses with colourful shutters and window boxes overflowing with flowers. Visit local markets full of fresh produce, cheeses and Provençal specialties. Provence is best explored slowly. Rent a car and drive through the countryside, stopping at wineries, olive groves and charming villages along the way. And be sure to enjoy the region's food, which features fresh seasonal ingredients and bold Mediterranean flavors. Next, we're going to the majestic French Alps, a playground for people who love the outdoors and nature. Here, towering peaks touch the sky, their slopes covered in clean snow during the winter. World-famous ski resorts like Chamonix and Annecy are great places for skiing, snowboarding and other winter sports. During the summer, the Alps become a hiker's paradise, with trails going through green meadows, past clear lakes and up to amazing viewpoints. Take a cable car ride to the top of Aiguille du Midi for incredible panoramic views of Mont Blanc, the highest peak in the Alps. The French Alps will leave you breathless, both literally and figuratively. Let's travel to Normandy, a region full of history and known for its dramatic coastline. Here you can stand on the same beaches where Allied forces landed on D-Day, a very important moment in World War II history. Visit the Normandy American Cemetery and Memorial, a moving tribute to the soldiers who died fighting for freedom. Explore the historic city of Rouen with its magnificent cathedral and charming old market square. And don't miss the breathtaking Etretat cliffs, towering limestone formations that drop dramatically into the sea. Normandy will move you with its history, beauty, and the strength of its people. Our last stop takes us to Alsace, a region that feels like a real-life fairy tale. Here you'll find half-timbered houses painted in pretty pastel colours, their window boxes overflowing with colourful flowers. Strasbourg, the capital of Alsace, has a magnificent Gothic cathedral and a charming historic centre. Explore the region's picturesque villages, each more enchanting than the last. And of course, no trip to Alsace would be complete without experiencing the Route des Vins, a scenic wine route that goes through vineyards that produce some of France's best white wines. And there you have it, our quick tour of the top 10 must-visit destinations in France. We've only just seen a little bit of what this incredible country has to offer. From the romance of Paris to the sunny beaches of the French Riviera, from the history of Normandy to the fairy tale charm of Alsace, France truly has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your own French adventure today. You won't regret it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future travel adventures together. Until next time, bon voyage!